Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English with Emma and Jack. I'm Emma.
Too expensive. Too small. No garden.
Jack, hello. We are recording.
Oh, sorry. Hi, everyone. I'm Jack. Sorry, Emma. I am just a little stressed.
Stressed? Why? What are you looking at?
I am looking for a new place to live. I think I want to move.
Move? But you have a beautiful big house. You have a huge garden. Why do you want to move?
Because cleaning a big house is terrible. Yesterday, I spent 4 hours cleaning the floors. I am so tired. I think I want a small apartment like yours.
Really? But living in an apartment is very different from living in a house.
Is it? Well, that is perfect for today, because today we're going to talk about your home.
Yes, we will talk about the differences between a house and an apartment.
Do you like living in the city center, or do you prefer the quiet countryside?
Do you like a big backyard, or do you prefer a balcony with a view?
By the end of this video, you will be able to describe your dream home in English.
So, if you are ready to open the door to better English, please hit the subscribe button right now.
And click like if you hate cleaning your house. Let's get started. Okay, Emma, you live in an apartment, right?
Yes, I live in a studio apartment right in the city center. We call it downtown.
A studio apartment? That means your bedroom and your living room are in the same room, right?
Yes, it is small, but it is very convenient. I live near many restaurants, cafes, and shops. I can walk everywhere.
That sounds nice, but isn't it noisy?
It is a little noisy, but I like the energy of the city. What about you, Jack? Where do you live?
I live in a house in the suburbs.
The suburbs. Can you explain that word?
Sure. The suburbs are the areas outside the city center. It is very quiet. There are many trees and parks.
But isn't it far from your work?
That is the problem. I have to commute. I drive my car for 40 minutes every morning to get to work.
40 minutes? Wow! I walk to work in 10 minutes.
Lucky you. But when I come home, it is peaceful. No car horns, no sirens, just birds.
Okay, so the suburbs are quiet, but do you have any outdoor space?
Of course. I have a big backyard.
A backyard. That is the garden behind the house?
Yes, I have grass and flowers. I even grow tomatoes in the summer. It's great for BBQs.
That does sound nice. I don't have a backyard, but I do have a balcony.
Is it big?
No, it is tiny, but it is on the 10th floor. I have a small table and a chair. I sit there in the morning, drink my coffee, and look at the view.
Is the view good?
It is amazing. I can see the whole city lights at night.
See, that is the difference. You look at buildings, I look at trees. I think I prefer trees.
Now, Jack, let's talk about money. Do you own your house?
Yes, I bought it 5 years ago. I'm the owner.
That is a big achievement. Congratulations.
Thank you. But owning a house is hard work. If the roof breaks, I have to fix it. If the toilet breaks, I have to fix it. It is very expensive to repair things.
That is why I like renting.
Renting means you pay money every month to live there, but you don't own it.
Exactly. I pay rent at the beginning of the month.
But isn't that a waste of money?
Maybe, but if my shower breaks, I don't fix it. I call my landlord.
The landlord?
Yes, the landlord is the owner of the apartment. I call him and he fixes everything for free. It is stress-free.
That sounds good. Last week my heater broke and it cost me $500 to fix. Maybe I should call your landlord. One last thing. What about the people? Do you know your neighbors?
My neighbors? The people who live next door?
Yes.
Honestly, no. In an apartment building, people are very private. We say hello in the elevator, but we don't talk much.
Really? In the suburbs, everyone knows everyone. My neighbor, Mr. Smith, always says hello. We borrow sugar from each other. It is very friendly.
That sounds lovely, but sometimes apartment neighbors can be annoying.
Why?
Because the walls are thin. Sometimes I can hear my neighbor watching TV or singing in the shower.
Oh no, is he a good singer?
No, he is terrible.
Okay, so house, quiet, big garden, friendly neighbors, but hard work. Apartment, convenient, nice view, easy repairs, but noisy neighbors.
Exactly. Both have good points and bad points.
That was a good debate, Emma. I still think houses are better, but apartments are convenient.
We can agree to disagree. But first, let's look at the 8 key words we use to describe our homes.
Word number 1 is the building itself, apartment.
In American English, we say apartment. In British English, they say flat. They are the same thing, a home inside a larger building. Example, I live in a small apartment on the 5th floor.
Word number 2 is about location, downtown.
Downtown means the city center. It is where the big offices, shops, and restaurants are. It is usually busy and noisy. Example, I love living downtown because I can walk to the cinema.
Word number 3 is the opposite, suburbs.
The suburbs are the quiet areas outside the city. Usually families live here, in houses with gardens. Example, it is very peaceful in the suburbs, but the commute is long.
Word number 4 is a verb, rent.
If you rent a home, you do not buy it. You pay money every month to live there. Example, renting in New York City is very expensive.
And who do you pay? Word number 5, landlord.
The landlord is the owner of the house or apartment. You pay the rent to him or her. Example, my landlord is very nice. He fixed my broken window.
Now let's talk about outside space. Word number 6, balcony.
A balcony is a small outdoor platform on an upper floor. Great for apartments. Example, I drink coffee on my balcony every morning.
Word number 7, backyard.
A backyard is the garden behind a house. It is on the ground. Example, my dog loves to run in the backyard.
And finally, word number 8 is a beautiful adjective, cozy.
Cozy means small but comfortable and warm. It is a positive word. Instead of saying, my room is too small, say, my room is cozy. Example, my living room is small, but with the fireplace, it feels very cozy.
So we have apartment, downtown, suburbs, rent, landlord, balcony, backyard, and cozy.
These words will help you describe exactly where you live. Now, let's put these words into action. Imagine Emma has a new apartment, and I am visiting her for the first time. A welcoming visit. Let's practice. Okay, Jack, we learned the words, now let's use them.
Yes, let's pretend you just moved into a new apartment.
And you are coming to visit me. You want to see my new home.
A housewarming visit. I brought a gift. Let's go. Action!
And I'll be like, oh my gosh, Jack, you're here. Come in.
Hi, Emma. Wow, welcome to your new home.
Thank you. Please come inside.
Oh, this is very nice. It is so bright and clean.
Thanks. It is a studio apartment, so it is small. This is the living room, and my bed is over there in the corner.
It is small, but it is very cozy. I like the sofa.
Yes, it is very comfortable. And the kitchen is here. It is tiny, but enough for me.
Hey, is that a balcony?
Yes, that is my favorite part. Come and look.
Wow, look at the view. You can see the whole city.
I know. Being downtown is noisy, but the view is beautiful at night.
It is amazing. But Emma, living downtown must be expensive. Is the rent high?
Honestly, yes, the rent is a little expensive, but I save money on transport because I walk to work.
That is smart. No commute, no stress.
Exactly. And if something breaks, my landlord lives on the first floor. He fixes everything.
That sounds perfect for you. Oh, I almost forgot. Here, this is for you.
A plant! Thank you, Jack. It is beautiful.
Put it on the balcony. It loves the sun.
I will. Thanks for coming, Jack.
And cut. That was a great house tour.
It was fun. Did you notice how we described the house?
Yes, instead of saying it is small, I said it is cozy. We talked about the rent and the location.
And Jack was a very polite guest. He brought a gift.
Always bring a gift when you visit a new home. A plant or some chocolate is perfect.
So, practice this conversation. Walk around your own house and describe the rooms in English.
Say, this is my kitchen. It is small, but cozy.
Exactly.
Well done, everyone. We hope you enjoyed the tour of my new apartment.
It is a lovely place. Remember, whether you live in a big house or a small apartment, the most important thing is that it feels cozy.
Exactly. Home is where the heart is.
And don't forget the new words: downtown, suburbs, rent, landlord, and balcony. Keep practicing them.
Now, we want to hear from you. Here is our question of the day.
It is the big debate. Do you prefer living in a house or an apartment?
Do you like the quiet garden of a house, or do you like the city view from an apartment?
Please write in the comments, I prefer a house because, or I prefer an apartment because.
We are very curious to know where our students live.
If this video made you feel at home, please give us a like, thumbs up.
And click subscribe to join our English learning family. We have new videos every week.
Thank you for visiting us today. Have a wonderful week in your cozy home.
See you next time. Bye.
Goodbye, everyone.